what I do, and I get to do it.
The whole purpose for me interviewing you and being here at Carolina Urban Lumber today is to really raise the awareness about the career and pathways and opportunities there are in woodworking, along with many, many other career pathways in the trades. But this is the trades. This is woodworking 101 at its finest.
I just try to enjoy being here and just enjoy making the furniture.
You love what you do?
I love what I do, and I get to do it.
And there's a difference right there. Most kids have no clue about the opportunities, the rewards. Do you feel good in what you do?
Absolutely.
You feel purpose-filled?
Absolutely. One of the best things is once we deliver something or install something in somebody's house and just see the look on their face. It's like Christmas every day.